uncovering questions about the safety of a popular form of birth control. More than 2 million women use the Mirena IUD. Good Morning Indiana anchor Beth Vaughn worked with our Call 6 investigators to find thousands of women reporting complications.
Rarely seen government documents show that women have been talking about problems with the Mirena IUD for years. Problems that have left some infertile, in pain, and others in need of surgery.
This is the Mirena IUD.
I started getting severe pain.
It's a piece of plastic wrapped with a second little piece of plastic that has a hormone built into it.
And then it was horrible.
We simply insert this up into the uterus.
They told me that it needed to be removed as soon as possible.
We pull the applicator out, take a pair of scissors, cut the string at about this length.
I would never recommend it to anyone.
A patient can choose to leave the Mirena in for up to 5 years. At the 5-year point, we can simply pull it out.
It turned out to be a nightmare.
Sarah's IUD perforated her uterus and floated into her abdomen, just like in this x-ray of another woman. Doctors performed surgery to remove it. Sarah is one of thousands of women who have complained about problems with the birth control. RTV6 obtained these rarely seen Food and Drug Administration reports, which show more than 70,000 complaints since 2000. Some are minor, like acne, headaches, and back pain. Others are not. Since 2008, close to 5,000 women reported device dislocation, which can mean the IUD became embedded in the uterus or migrated outside the uterus. Abdominal pain is common, with close to 4,000 complaints. More than 1,300 women reported the same problem as Sarah. The IUD perforated their uterus. Attorneys Don Chmielewski and John Climaco have filed lawsuits on behalf of 5 women who experienced complications. They expect to file hundreds more.
We have 900 cases in-house.
These are pretty horrific injuries.
Don says the IUD lacerated one client's liver. Another needed an appendectomy and hysterectomy as a result of a uterine perforation. She was 22.
What these people aren't being told is that at any time after this device is in place, it can perforate the uterus and cause these complications.
There are currently more than 220 cases filed in federal and state courts.
It says to me that there's a problem with this device.
I think it's really a crying shame. I think that if you polled physicians, we just don't have that opinion that this is a defective product.
Dr. Thomas Frank is the director of family planning at Metro Health Medical Center.
Medical evidence is quite clear that Mirena IUD is one of the absolute safest forms of contraception that's available today.
There are currently 2 million women using Mirena. Dr. Frank has prescribed it since 2001.
Mirena is really appropriate for any woman who is potentially fertile who doesn't want to get pregnant.
It's amazing, so convenient.
Allie Thompson is pleased with her IUD.
You don't have to worry about taking a pill every day, and it lasts for 5 years, so you can't beat that.
I don't think I took my pill today.
Bayer Healthcare Pharmaceuticals manufactures Mirena, but declined an on-camera interview. In a statement, they say they take the safety of our products very seriously. For that reason, we continuously review the safety profile of all of our products worldwide. The FDA says no drug is absolutely safe, and approved drugs show their benefits outweigh their known risks.
The overall risks of the Mirena IUD are tremendously less than the risk of the other devices that are available today, and certainly much less than the risk of not using any protection at all.
Sarah still has pain on her left side. Her doctor told her it's nerve damage that will never go away.
I mean, you think you're doing something to help yourself and your family, and then it just ends up turning into a disaster.
But Sarah feels lucky. A couple years after her ordeal, she gave birth to a healthy baby boy. Beth Vaughn, RTV6.
You can read the complaints to the FDA and find more details on the homepage of theindychannel.com.